Hello everyone, I am Vivek. Welcome to my channel VT Traders. Today we are going to see the daily analysis of Bank Nifty and Nifty indices for 8 June 2020. तो चलो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा ये वीडियो विच इज बेस्ड ऑन द एनालिसिस ऑफ बैंक निफ्टी एंड निफ्टी. सो वी विल फर्स्ट सी द बैंक निफ्टी इंडेक्सेस. तो हमने कुछ चार्ट बनाया हुआ है यहाँ पे. इट शोज सम डिमांड जोन एंड सप्लाई जोन. ओके, so the close of the bank nifty is 21,034. Okay, so it closes around here 21,034. The immediate resistance for bank nifty is at 21,500, the first resistance, and the second resistance comes at 21,970, that is around 22,000. Okay, this is the supply zone. This is the first supply zone. So price will probably come here up to this supply zone. Okay, if the supply zone crosses by the price, then it will touch to the next supply zone. Okay, probably. And below this there are two demand zone. The first demand zone is occur at around 20,300 to 20,200, in between 20,300 to 20,200, and the next demand zone is around 20,000 to 19,800. Okay, so if the prices opens above the supply zone, first supply zone, that is 21,500, then it will probably move towards the 21,900 or around 22,000. So at this point we will generally see the price action, and accordingly we will do the trade for tomorrow. Okay, there will be chances of price will touch up to 21,500, and chances of there is a sharp fall of the price also. Okay, so this is for the bank nifty analysis. So buy above 21,500 if the price of bank nifty sustained for 10 to 15 minutes above this resistance level, that is 21,500, then we will go for buying up to this point. Okay, according to the price action. If it will be rejected, then we will go for the selling for the bank nifty. Okay, now we will move to the next indices, that is if we go to the daily chart of the bank nifty, you will see here same resistance is around 21,500, and the second resistance is around 21,900 to 22,000. Okay, and the support level is around, the first support level is around 20,400. Okay, now we will move to the next index, that is Nifty 50. Nifty 50 closes at around 10,142. This Nifty 50 indices closes around 10,142. Okay, so this is the 15-minute chart for Nifty 50. This first resistance for Nifty indices is around 10,180. Okay, which is around the, which is, if we go to the 1-day chart analysis, it is around the, is the previous high of 13 March. Okay, where the lower circuit occurs, and from the lower circuit it will be moved up to this high point. Okay, this is the previous high of the lower circuit of 13 March 2020. So this is the first resistance for the Nifty 50. If Nifty 50, the price of Nifty crosses this 10,180 and sustain that level around 10 to 15 minutes, then the next level comes around 10,300. The next resistance comes is 10,300. Okay, if the price gets reversed from the supply zone, then the next support is comes around 10,034 to 10,000 level. Okay, from this point the price of the Nifty 50 will take support and chances to go up. If the price of the Nifty 50 breaks this demand zone, then it gradually goes down and comes to the level of 9,900 or 9,950. Okay, but the scenario is bullish for Nifty 50. We'll see tomorrow what will happen. Okay, from the supply zone, if the price get rejected, the chances of falling up to this level 10,000, up to the 10,000 level. So this is the analysis of chart analysis of Bank Nifty and Nifty indices. We will see the option chain analysis of Bank Nifty first. Here the option chain analysis of Bank Nifty is here for expiry date of 11 June 2020. So we will see the analysis here. $21,100 at the money cost, at the money strike price. If we see the call side, where is the highest OI? Highest OI is comes around 22,000. Okay, and for Friday the OI added is 2,12,880. The highest OI is added on Fridays 2,12,880, and the next highest OI at the level of 21,500 of Bank Nifty, which is 3,17,000. If Bank Nifty crosses this 21,500, then it will sharply move up to the 21,900 to the 21,900. These are the call writers. Okay, on the put side we will see here where is the support. So maximum OI on the put side is 2,08,000 at a level of 21,000. Okay, and the OI added for the Friday is 1,25,000. Then the next OI is 2,76,000, which is 20,500, which is highest than the 21,000 level. Okay, so this is the support for the Bank Nifty. Okay, now we will see the global cues. Global cues says that the Dow Jones on Friday closes at 3% up. So global market are were positive on Friday. We will see what will happen tomorrow. So that's it for today. Friends, we provide the online stock market training. For that purpose, you have to contact at this number or message or WhatsApp on this number. We will provide advanced level paid training course or advanced level free training course. For this, the course material for the both the trainings are same. Only the condition is here that for free training course you have to open the Demat account under my account, and you will be accessible for the advanced level training course. Okay, after completion of your training course, you are going to add on my personal Telegram channel, and on this channel I will provide the daily chart or daily analysis during the live market for the Bank Nifty or Nifty. So that's it for today. Thank you.